How to add thumbnail in Facebook video. Let's get started with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on the profile icon at the top of the screen to open your profile page. Now scroll through your post and find the video where you want to add the thumbnail. Once you have found it, click on the 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner of that video post. After that, tap on Edit Reel from the option that appears. Next, click on the photos icon located at the top left corner of the edit screen. Here you have two options. You can slide through the slider to select a thumbnail frame directly from your video, or you can click on Add from Gallery if you prefer to upload a thumbnail from your phone gallery. Once you have selected your thumbnail, hit Save at the top right corner. Finally, hit Save again to confirm your changes.